you're a fan of the show The Bear, I'm going to show you how to make Sydney's famous potato chip omelet, but in the form of a deviled egg. First, you're going to need your hard-boiled eggs, some Boursin cheese, some plain potato chips, a little bit of pickle juice, and some chives. First, you need to boil those eggs for about 15 minutes and then chop them in half. We're going to squeeze those yolks out into our bowl to start our filling. And next, take your Boursin cheese, take a big heaping spoonful, or about a tablespoon, mix that in there with those yolks. We're going to do a splash of this pickle juice, some salt and pepper, of course, and then we're just going to start a whisking. Whisk, 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 whisk. Make it nice and fluffy. Once your yolk is beautiful and fluffy, we're going to pipe it back into our egg whites. Make it look nice. Start chopping them chives because we're going to sprinkle those over the top. And then, lastly, just like Sydney did in The Bear, we're going to crush up some plain potato chips, and we're going to garnish the top of these eggs with those crunchy, beautiful potato chips. My mouth is watering already. Look at these things.
Deviled eggs inspired by The Bear omelet. Yolks up. Yo, those are pretty damn good. They got a lot of butteriness and richness from the cheese, plus that crunchy potato chip. Very nice. Thank you, The Bear, for inspiring these deviled eggs. They're fantastic. Save this recipe, make them for your next party. Tell everybody it's from The Bear. They'll love you. Thank you all for watching.